Hello everyone, here is Lorraine again for some great tips. Today we are making rice in the rice cooker. So if you have a rice cooker but are intimidated to use it, here is some great tips to turn out some very delicious rice. I like to use green onions or spring onions, also some butter, and I like jasmine rice or basmati rice. Now it's time to chop or dice up the onions. At this speed, I look so professional. Yeah, right. I am now measuring out 2 cups of rice. After I pour the rice into the rice pot, I'm going to take it over to the sink and rinse it until the water runs almost clear. The more starch you rinse off of the rice, the less likely to have a bubbly mess when the rice is boiling. I am now adding 3.5 cups of water. You can always substitute the water with chicken broth, beef broth, or vegetable broth. Right now, I am only using water in this video to make the rice. But in my opinion, the vegetable broth is the most delicious. But hey, that's just my opinion. I use 4 tablespoons of butter when making this rice. It gives the rice a nice buttery flavor. I use 2 teaspoons of salt. It looks like I'm putting in a lot, but it really isn't, not once when it's done and you taste the delicious rice. As far as the black pepper, I did not measure it, but you can use as much or as little as you want. Now here comes the parsley. I did not measure it, I just sprinkled it until it looked really pretty, floating on the water. Now this is a white rice cooker and brown rice cooker, so be sure to press the button in accordance to the rice that you are cooking. Now all you have to do is wait. Okay everyone, here is the finished results of the rice in the rice cooker. Delicious. There's the butter and the seasonings, the onions and the parsley all mixed into the rice. But you know, when you have a rice cooker, you can add pretty much what you want to flavor your rice. You can even add bell peppers. Some people even add olives, but I just added some green spring onions and some parsley, some pepper, some salt, and butter. And this is how my rice turned out, and it's nice and fluffy, and that's how I like it. All right, you all take care, and I'll catch you in the next video.